What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here and I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Cold one this morning and you might be out of the rain hitting the windows. Hopefully it's not too much of an annoyance. So there's been an eye-popping projection for the $3 trillion crypto market underpinning a Bakkt deal. So Bakkt have legitimately predicted a $3 trillion market cap in the foreseeable future, or more specifically by 2025. Now, like I've said, I don't care what happens before then. That's when the big gains truly start. So if it's $3 trillion by then, expect about 30 trillion by 2030 and beyond. Easily. I mean, it gets ridiculous. There's no way we can call this. Bakkt can't even call it. No one can call it. No one really knows. But according to Bakkt, cryptocurrencies could grow fivefold by 2025 into a $3 trillion market under new predictions from Bakkt Holdings, a digital asset financial firm. Bakkt published the estimate as part of an investor presentation released Monday in connection with its new plan to go public via a merger with Victory Park Capital, a special purpose acquisition company. Bakkt is majority owned by Intercontinental Exchange Inc, which also owns the New York Stock Exchange. The deal would give Bakkt an enterprise value of about $2.1 billion, according to a press release. The underlying assumptions behind the transaction show just how bullish investors, entrepreneurs, and financial executives have become over the past year on the fast-paced digital asset industry, especially after prices for Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, quadrupled in 2020. Just last week, the industry's total market capitalization surpassed $1 trillion for the first time ever. Though a swoon over the past few days in prices for Bitcoin and other digital assets has since trimmed the total value to around $930 billion. Bakkt currently runs a market for cryptocurrency derivatives, including Bitcoin futures. But in March, the company plans to release a new consumer application that could allow users to manage digital assets and use them for spending and peer-to-peer payments alongside cash and reward miles. Very interesting. It's these shifts that we are leveraging for the benefit of both customer and merchant, truly unlocking a massive market by empowering the monetization of digital assets. So that was said to investors on a Monday conference call, according to a transcript. You can read the transcript if you follow the link in the description and read the articles. In the investor presentation, Bakkt estimated its revenue net of transaction related expenses could grow by an average 75% per year to $515 million by 2025. The company is expected to turn cash flow positive by 2023. According to one side, right, my business makes more money than Bakkt. Are you shitting me? Cash flow positive? Are they not positive? What the fuck? According to one slide in the investor presentation, Bakkt operates in a massive serviceable addressable market that was worth about 1.6 trillion in 2020, including 564 billion for the notional value of cryptocurrency. By 2025, the presentation estimates the company's overall target market would increase to 5.1 trillion, including $3 trillion of cryptocurrency. Here's the diagram from the presentation. Again, follow the link in the description if you would like to see them graphics. Let's have a little ganders at what other predictions we can see off a simple Google search. Because I see it going to 10 trillion in the next several years quite easily. It's what becomes beyond, excuse me, it's what becomes beyond 10 trillion for me. I mean, your asset just needs to be worth as much as it needs to be to facilitate the platform and use case that it wants to do. But when you're considering bridge assets and crypto being a middle ground exchange, if you like, it might well end up worth hundreds of trillions. Who knows? All the money, baby. You know what we're saying? All the money, all the value. Get it through DLT and ILP, and it's going on a market cap. So if we find Google, sorry, excuse me, crypto market cap predictions. $1 trillion target. The risky underpinnings of the cryptocurrency market will appeal to traders and investors in 2021, according to an analyst from Bloomberg. Bloomberg say analysts have predicted a price target of 50k for Bitcoin, implying a 1 trillion market cap for the currency. That was on 7th of December 2020. Investopedia, should we say. Damn. Well, it was bang on there. I think Bitcoin price predictions value for 2021, 2022 and 2030. So some Bitcoin price predictions. Shervin Pishida, 100k by 2022. Thomas Fitzpatrick, $318,000 by 2022. The Winklevoss twins think it'll be $500,000 by 2030. I think it could actually be $1 million by 2030. Was that just me? Pomp thinks 250k by 2022. Interesting. Chamath. Oh, I'm gonna butcher this, but what a try. Palifapitia. Palihapitaia. Chamath hapitalia. Something like that. I don't know. I'm not taking a piss. $1 million by 2037. He's a founder of Social Capital and co-owner of Golden State Warriors. Wences Caesars, $1 million by 2027. John Pfeffer, whatever you people there, 700k, no date. Jeremy Liu, $500,000 by 2030. There's a couple think $500,000 by 2030. Mark Yusko, 400k, no date. Roger Ver, 250k, no date. Kayvan Peterson, 100k, 2027. Tyler Lopez, 60k, midterm. Andy Estradom, 8. Ooh, right, Andy Edstrom, predicts an 8 trillion market cap by 2030. I'm not that far away from him. Mike Novogratz as well, 7.5 trillion market cap by 2029. The whole market's gonna blow. So Tim Draper was correct in saying it'd be 10k in 2018, and it did. Mike Novogratz said 10k by April 2018, and he was correct. Incorrect was Ronnie Mowers, 50k 2020. Tom Lee, incorrect. 91k by 2020, he was wrong. John McAfee, $500,000 by 2020 was wrong. Ryan Noonan 50k by 2019 was wrong. So more people get it wrong than they get it right. People just shout louder when they've got it right, guys. That's something to consider and remember. And at the end of the day, again, just be grateful within the space. Like, we can say, oh, I wish I'd have got in crypto at 2010 and it would have been fucking great. And again at 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But we found it at the end of 2017 and we got in. In 5 years, there'll be people saying, fuck, I wish I found XRP in 2017. Never mind before it, it just will. There will be. So stay patient, stay grateful, and keep diversifying. Y'all just killed me. Keep diversifying. Stay positive. Block out the noise. Invest in yourself and the internet of value. Live long and hodl it till you're ready to let it go. Turn hobbies into revenue. I'm wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your week. Only a couple of days left. We love crypto. We love the future and the possibilities. And we love you. Until next time, guys, take care and peace.